When Peter Obi, former Anambra State Executive Governor, renounced his membership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, days before the presidential primary of the party, many political pundits concluded it was all over. When it was later reported that Obi had pitched tent with the Labour Party, not a few took him for a joker. As The Rock began attracting more followers on social media than Buhari did in the build-up to 2015 presidential election, those who claim to know how elections are won and lost in Nigeria were quick to dismiss the movement. Some called him an opportunist, while others said he is chasing the wind. They ridiculed him, shouting to whoever that paid attention to their rhetorics that nobody ever won election on social media, as no social media platform has a polling booth. Then the alleged social media followership metamorphosed into a great physical movement, taking the political space by storm. The naysayers now changed the beat of their music, saying that Labour Party's lack of political structure in the 36 states of the Federation is the cog in Obi's wheel of progress. Today, what can we say? The stone the builders rejected is fast becoming the chief cornerstone. Can you see what we are saying? From the east to the west, and from the north to the south, the obedient movement, like Hamatan wildfire, is gaining more ground in the cities, suburbs, and remote areas of the country. The established parties are beginning to realize that the OBIDATTY partnership is no pushover, but a steadily emerging third force, eminently capable of turning the table against the known political heavyweights come 2023 presidential elections. From Bruni Shehu to southern Borno, from Dutse to Yola, the state capital of Adamawa, the OBIDATTY movement is making waves. From Akwa Ibom to Lagos, the abode of the Jagaban, Obikererenke has become a love song in the mouth and lips of many. Once again, what do we make of this development? Is the Peter Obi presidential ambition an idea whose time has come? If yes, then nobody or force can stop it from happening. God bless you.